Are you looking for the best ironing board? In this video, we will look at some of the top ironing boards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, we have the Baronelli Pro Luxury Ironing Board. The dimensions of the unit are 64.5 by 20 by 3.2 inches and it weighs around 21.6 pounds. The Bartnelli ironing board is a sturdy unit that is designed to be sturdy on all floor surfaces. Each leg is fitted with a protective, non-slip cap on the end that prevents the board from moving around or wobbling and adds protection for your floors. The ironing board has a large, stable working area of 51 by 19 inches. It has an adjustable height with 4 different height settings ranging from 30 inches to 38 inches high. The cover is made up of layers of extra thick cotton, foam, felt, and it has a metal mesh top layer that allows steam to pass through and evaporate. The multi-layer cover makes your ironing surface thicker and keeps your clothes safe. The Pro Luxury ironing board is equipped with a wide iron rest and a hanging rack. At number 2, we have the HoneyCanDo Tabletop Ironing Board. The dimensions of the unit are 32 by 12 by 6.1 inches and it weighs around 4.8 pounds. The HoneyCanDo Tabletop Ironing Board is perfect for small apartments and tiny rooms. It is a lightweight, portable ironing board that folds flat and stores away compactly when it is not in use. The board is equipped with a retractable iron rest that can be extended and used when needed. The HoneyCanDo Tabletop Ironing Board is designed for use on tabletops so you never have to worry about scraping your floors. The board provides a sturdy and spacious surface for ironing. It is constructed of wood and cloth and features a cotton cover with foam padding. At number 3, we have the Brabantia Ironing Board. The dimensions of the unit are 19 by 3.34 by 62.59 inches and it weighs around 19.67 pounds. The Brabantia ironing board is a sturdy and reliable unit with a heat-resistant ironing cover. The cover is 100% cotton and is fitted with a resilient foam and felt underlay. The board has an extra-wide surface with a pointed end that is ideal for trousers and a wide end that is ideal for shirts and linens. The unit features a steam iron rest and a linen rack that you can use to pile your folded items. The Brabantia ironing board is equipped with a child safety lock that prevents the board from accidentally collapsing. When you do want to store the unit, it collapses easily and can be folded away into a cupboard. At number 4, we have the Minky Homecare Ergo Plus ironing board. The dimensions of the unit are 57.7 by 16.1 by 37 inches and it weighs around 13.86 pounds. The Minky Ergo Plus ironing board has been ergonomically designed with features that are tailored for comfort, speed, and performance. It has a large ironing surface of 48 by 15 inches and a unique ProZone cover. The 100% cotton ProZone cover features a heat-reflective, metallic coating that delivers faster crease removal to speed up the ironing process. It has an Ergo rest, which is an updated version of a regular iron rest as it has been shaped to follow a natural arm movement and avoid unnecessary arm and shoulder strain. The unit is also equipped with an Ergo rack, which is a rest rack that is located at a lower level to the Ergo rest so that a steam generator can safely be used at the same time that the iron is in use. The Minky Ergo Plus ironing board has a handy flex guide that prevents the iron's cords from tangling and can be clipped onto the board at your chosen position. The maximum height of the ironing board is 37 inches. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Holmes TLeg ironing board. The dimensions of the unit are 53 by 35 by 13 inches and it weighs around 8 pounds. The TLeg ironing board has a spacious ironing surface of 53 by 13 inches with a perforated steel top. The perforated top reflects heat back to the garment to speed up the ironing process. The board's cover is made from 100% cotton with a foam padding that provides a comfortable ironing surface. The ironing board is easily adjustable to any height up to a maximum of 35 inches tall. It features a durable metal T-leg design that provides it with added stability and a patented leg lock mechanism that allows for easy transport and storage. The Holmes TLeg ironing board is made in the USA and is available in a variety of styles. So that sums up the top ironing boards. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.